Welcome to our Urban Family Farming Community channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of plants and their relationships. Did you know that some plants absolutely love to be near each other while others can't stand the sight of one another? That's right. In this video, we will explore plants that love each other and those that hate to coexist. Grab a notebook because you'll want to remember these tips for your garden. All we are trying to do is to help you boost your garden's health and yields. First, let's understand companion planting. Companion planting is the practice of growing different plants together for mutual benefits. Some plants can enhance each other's growth, increase yields, and even repel pests. On the other hand, certain plants can compete for nutrients, block sunlight, or attract unwanted pests. Knowing which plants love to coexist and which don't can make a huge difference in your garden's health. Now let's talk about some amazing plant partnerships that thrive together. Love to stay close together. Here are a few examples. 1. Tomatoes and basil. These two are a classic duo. Basil not only enhances the flavor of tomatoes but also helps repel pests like aphids and whiteflies. 2. Carrots and onions. Carrots and onions complement each other beautifully in the garden. Onions repel carrot flies, and the odor of onions masks the carrot's scent, keeping them safe from pests. 3. Corn, beans, and squash. Known as the Three Sisters, this trio works together in harmony. Corn provides support for climbing beans, beans fix nitrogen in the soil, and squash leaves shade the soil, reducing weeds and retaining moisture. 4. Marigolds and just about everything. Marigolds are nature's pest repellents. They emit compounds that deter nematodes and various insects, making them great companions for almost any garden plant. Marigolds repel nematodes that can attack tomato roots. Chives repel tomato pests. 5. Parsley attracts beneficial insects. 6. Carrots, chives, onions, and leeks repel carrot flies. Radishes thin carrots and help with weed control. 7. Cucumbers and dill attract beneficial insects. 8. Lettuce, carrots and radishes. Thin lettuce and help with weed control. Strawberries improve lettuce flavor and vigor. 9. Other examples. Mint repels ants and cabbage moths. Garlic deters many insects with its strong scent. Sunflowers pair well with cucumbers and pole beans. By planting these combinations, your garden won't just look beautiful, it will be healthier and more productive. Now, let's explore plants that hate to coexist, hate to share. Avoid planting these plants to protect your garden. 1. Tomatoes and potatoes. Both of these plants belong to the nightshade family and can attract similar pests and diseases. It's best to keep them separated to avoid competitions and health issues. 2. Carrots and dill. While they may seem harmless together, dill can stunt the growth of carrots when planted too closely. 3. Cabbage and strawberries. Cabbage family members can hinder the growth of strawberries. The cabbage worms will also be attracted to cabbage, putting nearby strawberries at risk. 4. Pepper and fennel. Fennel can inhibit the growth of many plants, including peppers. It's better to keep them apart in your garden to let both flourish. By avoiding these poor pairings, you can prevent wasted energy and ensure each plant has the opportunity to thrive. Here are some tips for successful companion planting. Research before you plant. Always check a companion planting guide before deciding on your garden layout to ensure your plants will thrive in harmony. Rotate crops annually. Avoid planting the same plant families in the same area year after year. This helps prevent the buildup of pests and diseases in the soil. Also, practice crop rotation each season to avoid depleting soil nutrients and minimize pest buildup. Use labels. Label your plantings to keep track of what you've planted and their companions. Monitor plant health. Regularly check your plants for signs of stress or pests. This will help you address any issues promptly and adjust your planting strategy as needed. There you have it. Understanding which plants love to grow together and which don't can truly transform you. Please bear in mind that companion planting isn't just about keeping pests at bay, it's about creating a thriving ecosystem where plants, pollinators, and soil all work together for a bountiful harvest. Start experimenting with combinations in your garden today, and see how companion planting can work wonders for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and remember, the best gardeners are always learning and growing.